Our videos are best viewed in full screen.
Welcome to Klixters, where it pays to play. We are going to log in to our account to the back office. As you can see, this is our homepage. We've already completed our 3 daily tasks for the day, as the countdown timers are showing on all 3 tasks. We are now going to show you how to win some Klixbits. You'll see that icon in the right top corner of the home screen. You can always reach any area either on the home page or by hitting the hamburger menu in the top left corner, and you will see the same wording and icons. We can win Klixbits there as well. Klixbits are the currency that Klixters uses. 100 Klixbits is the equivalent of $1 US. We can win up to 200 Klixbits in a 24-hour period that resets at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will see on this screen the heading Win Klixbits, how many Klixbits you have won for the day. We are just starting, so it is set at 0. And a reminder that the maximum you can win is 200 Klixbits in 24 hours. You have 2 screens on this page, your My Videos, which is your videos that you will watch and answer sponsor survey questions to win your Klixbits, and your favorite videos. Any videos that you've watched, either from the daily drawing or from this screen, that you would like to rewatch or share with friends. We are going back to My Videos, and we are going to watch a video. We click on the video, click on the play button. Please make sure to pay attention during the video, as there will be specific questions relating to the video. And if you get those wrong, it will not allow you to continue. You will have one more chance to rewatch the video and get the answer correct. If not, you will not be able to win Klixbits for that video. We finished the video. Now we're going to rate the video. Do we want to be able to watch this video again and favorite it to share it with friends, or no? Then it will ask you some questions. After the questions, you will get your spinning wheel, where you can tap the center button to see how much you will win for watching and rating that video, anywhere from 10 Klixbits to 50 Klixbits. Let's spin. We have won 10 Klixbits for this video. We can then choose to watch another one if we have more time, or come back at a later date. Let's watch one more. After the video, we will then be asked to rate the video and answer some questions, and also whether we would like to favorite the video. After the questions, we will then have our spinning wheel, where we can win more Klixbits. We have won 20 Klixbits. If we go to the top of the page, we will see what our winnings are for the day. We have not reached our maximum. We can continue, or we can come back at a later time. We can go to the home page and choose to do another task, or we can log out for the day. Thank you for being a Klixters member. Happy Klixting!